morning from Manila again. I had a good sleep tonight. I still feel a bit weak, but I feel better. Coffee here in hand, and I don't know. Maybe today we're going to the firing ring. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna ask my cousin. But it's raining again. Typhoon's about to leave the country, but you can still see something. Not as hot as yesterday. Here we are. Okay, I'm going to Jollibee because I'm hungry and I don't want to eat the leftovers from yesterday. So I'm gonna go with someone from here and my mom also. So I'm just changing now. Hey, wait, I don't want this one. But anyways, I was planning on going to the gym after. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Wait, I don't... Oh, okay. Found it. I'm gonna use these shorts. And... I'm gonna put, oops. I'm gonna put, what's the name? I'm gonna use my trainers. These ones. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's a good idea for me to go to the gym, but I want to. Like, I feel like that's gonna help me because the weather here is a little bit weird. It's like gloomy. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, the Jollibee is just like downstairs, besides the house. So not that far. I just don't want to eat fish now again, like yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna put my jewelry right here. Okay, so you think I'm darker now? I have, you know that I have like a specific ozone which I put this. Alright, you think I should bring this? Maybe yes. Why? Maybe something to cover myself? Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this with me. Damn, I look like a tourist. Well, that's what I am, but... You know, you wanna be discreet here. Where did I put the keys? Oh, in the door. Okay, let's go then. In the streets of Manila. Where are we going? To eat. We're going to eat. It's a Jollibee. Let me show you. So beautiful. It's coming with me. Just in case. Yeah, I don't know how to drive, guys, and this is where you get it. Thank you. We're here.
What food do you want?
Chicken Coke, 2-piece.
Because chicken.
Yeah.
Isang take-out na
It's
C3.
ordering for me because I don't know anything.
C3. Take-out po.
Okay po. Ano pa po?
Ayan lang.
771.
Can I try if my card works?
Take out po ng chicken spaghetti. I see.
We're just waiting for the food. Okay. Dude, we're planning the next couple of days and I want to go to a gay bar and that's what he was telling me that I should try them. But in some of them I cannot wear this for some reason. They don't want people wearing this, which is funny. because it's so hot here. But yeah, I want to go to BGC, which is a new area here in the Philippines. It's like a new development. I think it's private funded, so there's no floods there. And so everything's new. So there's a lot of foreigners there because it's what attracts foreigners. Like, it doesn't look like Manila. Oh. Yeah. They gave me the pieces that I wanted. I'm not sure. Alright, so this is what we ordered. So took this chicken with rice, and then I don't know what's that, burger something, Coca-Cola and Fanta. And this is and hot dogs. He said that I have to try these ones. Jolly hot dog. Ooh. And this is for Sabi. Why did I order two?
You should make sure right.
No, because I thought I'm gonna stop. Okay, we finished. The Jollibee was good. Oh, look at these plants. So we're going back to the apartment, and then we're gonna go firing. Okay, because I need to keep my skills sharp. But for now, I'm just gonna rest, I think. Rest and sleep. We're watching my vlogs. It's a bit weird, but
We're trying to save some energy.
I don't know what to say. I'm watching myself, yes.
A long night, guys. A very long night. But I'm bored already.
Guys, we're going to the firing pit. And then they are going to the shopping mall. Well, they wait for us. We hired this car. Okay, let's go. So this is like an Uber, but from the Philippines. I don't know what's the name. Oh, okay. I don't actually know what's the name of this. Ang bango. Okay, it smells really good here. First time I'm touring the capital. Mama, here outside, just waiting to finish the transaction. If you know what I mean, we have to pay for this taxi.
Yeah, Mami, Papa.
Okay, okay. So we're being dropped off here, and then my parents are going to the mall. What's this? Oh my god. We're in the firing pit. Okay. So, how much is this, Kuya? How much?
Later.
Later? Anong later?
Later, makita mo ang parang nasa mga 2,000 pesos lang.
Tig-isa?
Oo.
Oh my God.
Most probably mga
Lugi pa ako.
50. Yes.
Okay. We're going to the place now. Wait 1 second.
Do you have cash?
No.
Ako din, wala.
Ikaw.
Yeah.
I have some. Oh. There's no one here.
Bale. Dalawa.
Hello. What are you doing?
What do you wanna fire?
Eh.
Okay, sir.
We have to choose.
Medyo mahina.
Okay.
Sige, isang 45 kasi yung nakaraan din.
Okay. You have to choose here.
50 ha.
50?
50.
Oh my god. Okay, I need to pee first.
Go.
Are you kidding?
Will you suck it?
Huh?
Yes. Let's go.
So I'm gonna take out of my bucket list the yeah. I have to wear this. Oh, Allah. Ito na. Wait. I'm ready to shoot. Shoot me.
Let's go.
But we didn't pay yet.
Yeah, sure.
If the card doesn't go, we go. We go.
We're now here in shooting range. Friend ko pa. Kaya galing explain mo kuya. Sa Espanyol yan eh. He will teach you how to handle the
Okay. You're
gun.
gonna teach me.
So, there.
Mustra mo na. Hawak at saka yung pwesto lang. Sis.
Try first, try fire.
Ikaw naman.
Finger out first.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay, very cool.
And then,
Good. Done. Strong hand. Then see this one. Straight. Yeah, one more. Okay.
Okay.
Try one.
Got it?
I'm not sure.
You got it?
Ako na lang magkasama na. Yan, loaded na yan. Try.
Loaded na ha.
Huwag iikat yung barya, laging nakaharap mo.
Benedict's that's loaded.
Yan, strong. Tapos silipin ito. Dito. Yan lang siya. Relax.
I'm sorry.
Tumama. Yung dalawa na. Yung dito tayo.
Guys, I destroyed the thing. You know? Papa, I think I'm good.
Dito target tayo to, target. Dami kunti.
Putting it back.
Dito.
Let's go again.
Okay, pairing. Nice. Okay, loaded. Yan, relax lang ha. Yan. Okay, pairing. Okay.
Okay.
Come down.
Nice.
Nice.
We're gonna try a bigger one.
Oh.
Mas malakas konti. Full. Okay?
Firing.
Okay.
Sa baba.
Ilang gitna, tapos pause. Siyempre.
Okay.
Drive.
Ilan ang laman ko?
9.
9.
Kahit 5 lang muna. Para may isang round pa. Ibaba mo.
Nakakan.
Okay, firing. Para mas mausok. Ah,
Parang todo.
then, sige. Okay, push this one. Sa baba. No need.
Set
Ito,
akin lang yan.
ibaba mo. Sige. Yun. Okay, loaded. Loaded. Loaded.
Ganyan.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice one.
Ed.
Nice.
Yeah. It's for sure dead now, honestly. But for first time, right?
Oh, natanggal.
Yeah.
Oo eh.
Way. All of this.
Okay.
47 out of 50.
Hindi na, alam ba, ay paano ba yun? Nahaluan yan, ano?
Oo.
47 over 50. Pwede naman.
Excellent. Okay.
Tatlo lang yung ano yun, 2, 3.
I qualify for this. This is my new job now.
Oh, it's like for payment.
Oh my god, like I'm really stressing out because we need to pay now. I don't know how to do it. Anyways.
Manila ka po.
Alam. You pay first, it's easy. Oh my god. They're waiting for us.
Yes. Kuya, paano please?
They're just waiting for us, you know.
Saan namin pwede i-send?
5, 2, 7, 3.
Send it to me first. The payment.
Okay.
And then I'll send it to them. Ano kasi siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong bango. What's your bank?
Guys, oh my god. Okay, we sorted it out. I have like some cash from my mom. He saved me.
Thank you. Don't get too stressed.
I always stress. Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah.
Bye po. Thank you. Amazing. I think we came here just in time because we are the last ones. Everything is dark now, but it's raining outside, so I'm just waiting for the taxi to go. I'm sorry, I'm still a bit sick. So, the name of the app is not over here. It's called Grab, I think he said to me. But yeah, I was stressing out because I don't have money in this currency, you know what I mean? And my bank was asking for a UK bank, and I was like, okay, he doesn't have a store code here. So, luckily I have found like some cash here. I need to withdraw money, so I don't want this situation to happen ever again.
How's the experience?
The experience was good. It's something I've always wanted to do, you know, so I can pa pa pa. I wasn't imagining anyone, by the way, if you know what I mean. But as soon as I thought about someone, my aim was like sharp, like like. I thought I was gonna shoot and be like, but I wasn't. I was like, boom, 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 boom. So, because people that come here are policemen and military. and then me.
Men in uniform. You love men in uniform?
Look at my uniform.
So you're ready for your new job?
I'm ready to fight whoever comes my way. If you don't listen to me, you know what I can do. You're out.
Day one?
Day one, and I'm already like, and you will never shoot me because like if I go sideways, I disappear.
Disappear? Oh, because you're petite.
Because I'm petite and tiny. Okay, our grab is here. So we're trying to get in without getting like wet. Okay, let's go.
We're on the way to Shumart.
Shumat. Shumat? Sabi niya Shumat, hindi naman Shumat.
SM. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. It's already Christmas here. Guys, it's raining like crazy. Where are we going? So it's Christmas here already. Can you see that? Crazy. Okay. Now, let's try and find my mom. I don't know where she is. What did she say? I need to call my mom now because I don't know where she is. And
So it's Christmas here, guys. Yeah.
we actually have like all the stores here. All the stores plus Filipino stores.
Bench?
So I was benching 2005.
Oh.
Okay, second floor. Woman. But what's the name of the store?
And body shop.
What's the name of the store? Downstairs.
We're going
No,
now
mataas kami. Second
to
floor.
Smarter.
Pero anong tindahan at yun ang hahanapin?
Anong tindahan daw at yun ang hahanapin?
Sí, pero ¿cómo se llama la tienda? Me, they are on the second floor, but they don't want to tell me where exactly. So it's a bit like, okay.
So we're now guessing.
Yeah, she said we're going to the second floor where the women's is.
Oh.
But, okay, which store? Because that's what I asked.
Oh, what store?
No, we don't know yet.
Okay, we go around.
Second store. This is women's. No, second.
No, this is second.
No.
What? This is second. First? No, first, and this is second, and then
No,
that's third.
that's ground floor.
No. Okay. So you mean it's third floor?
Oh my God. Are we counting in Tagalog? Or
In
English?
in Philippines, ground floor next to the second floor. No, ground floor and then next second floor. No.
It's ground floor,
First floor and second floor. Ground floor is first floor.
No,
in Philippines,
No.
yeah.
not in the Philippines. I have no idea, and they are not giving me any clue. Okay, let me call them again. That's why they didn't want to tell me, because on the second floor there's only women's, right?
No, they are talking about the department store. That's why there's no brand
Ah. And so
Department
where
store.
are we?
in the middle. We go
See,
there.
this is the second floor. Ah, no, you're right.
Oh, second floor. I told you I'm right, huh? This is the second floor.
So, where I'm
Second floor. Yeah, second floor.
So to me, that's the ground floor. Then you have ground floor, first floor, second floor. But for people in Philippines, this is the second floor already,
Yeah.
which doesn't make sense. To
The
me.
ground floor is first floor.
No, the ground floor should be. Yeah, it's either. Okay, it's either. That's either first ground floor. It should be zero.
Yeah.
Zero ground floor, And then, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Anyways, you got it.
If they stop us, what?
It's fine.
What,
But
are you
they
gonna
stop
do?
us, like, we're just like, it's like a vlog, like I'm a foreigner.
Yeah.
But
you have excuse.
this is why they didn't know. Well, I didn't know what she meant because this is the second
Ayun. There they are.
We found them.
Ah, mama. Mama. My mama.
Sakay pa ng mani.
Nice. So we
Yeah.
went to the thing. Look,
Pagkabilis, mabilisan nyo ba?
Oh, mabilis lang.
Ano daw?
He's showing his...
Ilang
50 each, I think.
No, 25 pesos.
Ano, kahit daw tayo?
Where? Sino
When
pa?
can I withdraw money?
Ay, hindi sa Karen's meron pa ba?
To treat us.
74 eh.
Who said?
Who said?
Claro.
Who said that? I think I'm feeling, you know, like I'm
Feeling ko bagay sa'yo yan. Yung orange. Or yan. Yan, sukat mo
It's
ngayon.
too long.
Oh, that's why it's bagay sa'yo.
Oh, champ, short champ, 20% off.
What can you say about the mall here?
Not much really, because all I did was trying to find my parents. But as far as I can see, it looks good. I just need some time to come and explore and spend all my money here, because they pretty much have everything. So she's my cousin, so I'm here with Miss Anne.
Is this your
No,
sister? No.
I don't look alike. I'm more like Ann Cortez.
Oh.
A mix, yes. Oh my gosh, hi.
It's kinda expensive, you know.
I want to spend here.
Where do you wanna eat?
Here, video.
Ayan, you can withdraw. There. Oh, we will withdraw millones.
Tayo magkakasama.
Apa?
Okay.
He will going to pay everything.
No. When we go in,
Go.
they're gonna think.
We will eat here in Manang. It's Filipino comfort food. So you must try this. For 4, please.
Good for 4. Bali,
Yep.
pang ano tayo, sir? Pangatlo po tayo sa waiting.
Yeah, sure. Pangatlo tayo sa waiting. Okay.
Your name, sir? Your name?
Carlos Benedict. Okay,
okay, let's
go.
see.
Ako si
Thank you.
Ate, upo muna kayo.
Right.
Go.
I'm in school again, guys. So I can reorder whatever I want to eat. Look at what it says. Okay.
What rice do you want? You want tinapa rice, bagoong, garlic, brown or white?
White.
White.
Wow.
Ate, gusto mong gulay? Gusto mo? Pinakbet, laeng,
Pinakbet.
pinakbet. Ikaw din, maraman.
Guys, so they just called us in.
Hi po, magandang gabi. Welcome po sa Manila.
So I'm gonna sit like facing this.
Sir, we have a bag of order po. Pwede po pagayan. And if you need anything else,
okay.
Sir, Jerome po yung magiging server.
Okay, Jerome.
Ayoko. Shit. Ah,
Hindi pa po, nilalagay ko pa lang.
didn't want to take the menu. Like, what?
Sinigang na baboy.
Sinigang na baboy is like a soup, right? With a sabaw.
1, 2, 3. 2. Ilang, ano to? Isang buwan.
Kasi, galing ko sa Spain.
About drinks.
Drinks, what do you like from Spain? Coke?
No, you must try other.
This is what I'm gonna be.
Ano yan?
Ube,
Ubi na ano yung
sago. I don't know what it is.
Sayo. 2, 1, 1.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna cover myself because it's a big coat. Do you want like
Souvenir aquí.
Pwede?
Ha? Andiyan si Dini. A ver, si Dios
Thank
quiere.
you. So I wanna try this.
Doon sa umaga. Asa nga po. Alas 3 pa yun.
Sarap.
Alas 3, di ba?
Let's try.
Try.
Grab naman.
Qué bueno.
Super
Good.
Ha?
I think this is it for us.
Ayan o. Ha? One. Kaka-apat na oras ay nasa kainan.
You have to take that.
Malaki ng kilong may dagdag. Sabi nga ni Ito, sa linggo pala sa dito. Nasa 4 oras ay
Sisig.
Sisig.
Kahapon, sa ano kami, sa...
Oh, that's a fried chicken yan.
Naging fried chicken.
Oh, it's nice. Sige, lagay mo na. Walang sabaw. Bakit wala? meron sabaw. Ayan, eto. You have to take this to take a video of this. Tignan mo, look, video. No, not. The crispiness. It's giving.
Eggs na scrambled eggs. Ito yung ginagay ng pareho.
Let's eat because this looks really good. And air. But I don't have space to just... Hindi. Just Barney. It's not so good. Not today.
Kamuwa.
Picture pa. Mama, picture.
Sige, kami kakain mo lang.
It was such a nice, what is this, dinner I think it is? Yes. And this is halo halo, okay? Like ice with fruits and ube something. I don't know how to describe, like I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, we're just like explaining different adventures from the family and laughing a lot. And we're full. I think this was the right place to go. Are we ready to go?
Oh yeah, magbubuk lang ako na.
It's gonna book a driver again. Now we're gonna go back home and like when I'm finished this because it's too cold, guys. Like no, this is made of like ice, scratched, no, like smashed like that, and it's mixed with different things. So
It's Filipino dessert.
we're gonna explain better.
Halo halo is Filipino dessert. It includes the ube ice cream, the ube makapuno, and nata, gulaman, and then you mix it. That's why halo halo. In Tagalog, the mix is halo halo.
There you go. The explanation from a real Filipino. Diba? Well, I'm a real Filipino too. He's laughing.
Videographer nga ako nito. Ginawa akong videographer.
Hi guys, thanks for waiting. We had so much food. I'm falling asleep now.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
Dog.
Talk to him. Can you?
Bulok. Kasabata. Kinakin. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, so I'm back home. I'm gonna go to sleep now. It has been an incredible day today where I got to tick off my bucket list one of the things that I've always wanted to do, which is like, and then we had nice food and I'm ready to go to bed and ready for the next adventure tomorrow. So let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so see you tomorrow. Bye.